East Hants geographically covers an area along the Shubenacadie River to the Minas Basin from Enfield. It includes Mount Uniacke and pretty much goes straight from Mount Uniacke over to a community called Walton on the Minas Basin as well. We're one of the fastest growing municipal areas in the province, and the facilities for all of us to work from has really grown. So we haven't been able to build a single building, so we've got staff migrated around the different offices. Connecting all of those offices is definitely a challenge. We were using some satellite technology, but we found that the latency on the satellite technology just wasn't workable for us as far as instant communication and things like that. So we ended up looking at wireless. It was something that we normally do in our office space anyway for laptop connectivity. So we decided, why don't we just implement this ourselves? Well, my report was pretty detailed. I knew it might make a lot of people wonder, do these guys have the skills to do this? And the proposal went fantastic. They saw a really great way to provide value, saving money, and return on investment is fantastic on this install. This is one of the ones. From our main office in Milford, that's where our internet connection comes in from Eastlink. We have a fiber connection to an Elmsdale office that has 12 staff that work there. From there, we do a wireless hop to the East Hants Resource Center, where our economic development staff are located. Then we do a hop from there to this tower, and then this tower does another hop out to the Waste Management Center. I think it actually covers about 49 kilometers of travel over wire and wireless technology. There was some upfront capital cost for the equipment itself. We saved on labor because we weren't outsourcing this. I mean, our time was definitely involved, but we worked around, our higher priority schedules to get this stuff implemented.
This is really very little more than a home wireless router, essentially. But it has this huge panel antenna, which makes it have a lot higher gain for range. And they're really nice to line up. You can pretty much eyeball them. So you're only working with these units, probably 1 kilometer or 2 maximum range, so you can actually see where you're aiming. Pretty good stuff. Easier than you might think to set up, too.
It took us 2 days to do this install. We did the radio configuration, ran the cables one day, and then the next day we came up, fastened a pole to the tower, put the radios on the pole, ran the wires up, plugged them in, and we were live.
Really works well. Works well for us just because we're so remote. Communication with the outside world more than anything. Safety is a big factor out here where we're so remote, and it's helped out immensely.
They have access to phone, they have access to email, the internet, and all of their network shared information is all located in one server. We can back it all up from one place. We have one backup server, we have one mail server, so one file server. All of that infrastructure doesn't need to be replicated at each other location because they can all connect quickly to all of the rest of the network. We've got network-capable security cameras that are placed in different areas we're able to actually view anywhere on the network. I guess the biggest thing is the span of people growing. A lot of these places are really temporary workplaces to the final goal of having staff work close together again. By not implementing a bunch of cabled infrastructure, we have wireless that we can then reuse for other needs if staff move or change. So the flexibility there is great too.